Yo, welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're about to backtest a week of NQ starting in January. We're about to do a week every single day, and we're gonna run up the stats here, see how the strategy's doing. But yeah, let's start here. About to be in January, starting on the 3rd here on a Monday, bank holiday. Alright, so starting on the 4th, a little bit shorter of a week, but got 10 a.m. news, so we'll wait for that. But yeah, gonna be running up this 50k account, and yeah, gonna document it all here. So yeah, expand chart, skip to Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, this is Sunday. Monday, and we're gonna be starting on the 4th. Since this is a bank holiday, we're not about to trade that, and it's the first day of the week in the new year, so it wouldn't be trading that day realistically, so we're gonna skip here to market open. 10 a.m. news, so one of my rules is I gotta wait for red folder news if there is 10 a.m. news, so we'll do that. And yeah, let's hop on the 15-minute. Let's just determine where we're at right now in the range. It's like we are pretty bullish here, but let's pull up our session highs and lows. Looks like we have London low right here. Let's also change this to white. And then Asia low right there. So you're gonna mark this up on ES as well. Looks like we don't have any major SMTs with session lows or anything. Previous day's low is all the way down there. Mark that up as well. Don't think we're gonna run that far down though. But we could. Do have a red folder. So let's hop on hourly. Let's see what we're doing. Yeah, it looks like ES is at, is this all-time highs? Yeah, ES is at all-time highs. And MQ is not yet. However, we have these like relative equal highs here. These two highs right there. So yeah, I do think the draw could be higher. However, we just inverse this hourly gap bearish. I think we could run down towards London low right now. Asia is also a 4-hour unfilled gap. Looking at ES, it looks like London is that 4-hour unfilled gap. Daily draw looks to be higher here as well. It's buy side level. Yes, all-time highs. Inside this 15-minute. Alright, let's see how we open up at market open. I want to see us run lower. Then I got some longs maybe. But I do think the draw right now is London low. Yeah, so top that 4-hour unfilled gap, so longs look better. We also have this like low resistance liquidity here. Stacked highs here. Could definitely see a run of those. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 10 a.m. news to hit. Because right now, this is why it's one of my rules, because of this chop. Could get really chopped up before the news. This is ISM manufacturing news. We also have OPEC meetings, which makes price really volatile and pretty good PA, so expecting a good week here. See what that 10 a.m. news does. Alright, run lower. Looks like we're tapping this order block. We'll see if that holds. But draw could be previous day's low. See how the 4 hour closed. 4 hour inversed for value gap here. So I do think the draw on liquidity right now is previous day's low. So my bias right now is for shorts. Looking at the hourly here, we closed below all these order blocks. So we have a hourly CISD. Also this is like a breaker area here. If we do pull back into this kind of area here, higher time frame. But yeah, I do like shorts. Got some sell side right here as well. But ES is pretty uncorrelated, kind of lagging. But yeah, I do want to see some shorts. If we can get some type of pullback, have a 15-minute here. Unfilled 15-minute right there. See if we can get short. Alright, took out that sell side. Still think the draw is lower. Previous day's low. I need some type of pullback here though. 15-minute here. Now this 15-minute inversed. Took out sell side. Still think the draw is lower for sure. It is 10:30 right now. Let's see how that open is. Also, let me mark up true day open, which will be around right here. True day open. Just gonna mark up that midnight open just to see where we're at. Alright, nice. Looks like we're retesting true day open. Could get a continuation model short. However, we did not tap this 15-minute unfilled gap. I'm sure we did on ES. ES is really choppy, so I'm not really basing anything off of ES right now. SMT. So not even an entry for shorts, down to previous daily low. Looks like that draw is about to get taken, and yeah. So yeah, draw taken. Now I am thinking long, so we do need some manipulation though. But yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a trade today. So yeah, no trade day, just straight up dumped. No entries. I was looking for a continuation model for shorts, but was looking at one here, but we didn't even get an entry. Took out internal. Didn't even tap into the 15-minute, so yeah, no entry on that. This would have been the only opportunity but for my model. But if we got closure like this, but yeah, didn't get the closure I liked. Took out liquidity as we closed, so it made it invalid, as well as we did not tap into this 15-minute for value gap. So yeah, no trade day there. So we're gonna just skip over to 11 a.m. So I'd be done there. Let's go to the next day. It's gonna be Wednesday. This is a little bit shorter of a week. We do have FOMC, so not gonna trade AM. But this is meeting minutes, so AM might be fine. So yeah, we'll still look at AM. If price is super choppy, then no. But this is meeting minutes, so I don't think it affects AM session too much. We'll see. I know the other FOMC, the statement one, does make AM pretty choppy, but yeah, we'll see. If the first like 30 minutes are bad, then won't be trading it. Okay, let's hop on the 15-minute, just see where we're at. Session wise, we got previous day's low right here. Potential draw, since we did take out both Asia and London high. Looking at ES, looks like we're pretty correlated. Yeah, here we do have our sweep here. Asia high swept. Looks like we did have a big move down. Could want to trade back into this range a bit before we continue lower, but it does look like we could just sell off here towards previous day's low. Looks like we rejected 0.62 retracement. But yeah, previous day's high as well. And just mark it up. Okay, definitely leaning more on the bearish side for right now. Do have a SMT here as well. So that SMT with previous day's high gave this move down. So yeah, pretty big move there. I think that was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday's session. We got no entries on that. But yeah, right now I do think we run lower. We just took out Asia high. See the hourly. Also respecting bearish hourly gap. Right there, bearish hourly for value gap. Let's look at ES. So yeah, I think it's clear that we could want to make a run for the sell side. And then, is this a session low or no? No, it's not. For the sell side, and then potentially previous day's low as well, which I do think is the main draw on liquidity. So let's mark up the previous day's low on ES as well. Right there. Let's also hop on the 4 hour. Let's just see if we're inside of anything. Looking at the 4 hour, do have this 4 hour unfilled above us, which I'm not too worried about. Not really interested in it, but I'm gonna just keep it in mind. ES does not have one. High, low, high, lower, low. Looks like we rejected this breaker block here. Higher time frame. So yeah, I think we are good to sell off right now. You can see that we wicked into the breaker, which is basically the start of this breaker, is just this wick reacted. So I do think we run lower towards previous day's low right now and finish off this sell model. And then higher time frame, higher time frame. I think we could potentially also make a run lower towards equilibrium of the daily range, which would also be previous day's low. So that aligns perfectly. So yeah, looking for shorts. Do have this unfilled 15-minute right here. I want to see 930 open high. pretty much I want to see this. Tap in the premium, tap that 15-minute, and then get shorts. But we could just take out my draw on liquidity. That's nice. So right now, do like longs a bit more, but 5-minute market structure shift here. This was a previous day's low sweep though. Let's see, did we tap OP? We are still in this 4-hour fair value gap, which we could hold. Four-hour OP. So yeah, I do like longs with the sweep previous day's low. Could target 4-hour unfilled gap. We also have, let's see what ES is on. This is a SMT. Yeah, pretty large SMT as well. So yeah, I think longs look good. Previous day's low is a SMT inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. I think we could want to make a run higher here. Okay, let's see. Really don't have an entry here. Other than we do have this 5-minute, it is a little bit high up, but could be good. But 15-minute showing rejection, hourly rejection, SMT inside that 4-hour. I think we are good to run higher. Rebalance a little bit, maybe into equilibrium. Let's see if we got any equal highs, equal lows. Nothing I see right now. Just some equal highs all the way up here. Bit choppy here, so I did say if the first 30 minutes are mid, I won't be trading AM anymore because FOMC meeting minutes. So yeah, I might just not be trading here. Okay, equilibrium was tapped. So I don't even like this 5-minute anymore because we did take out this internal. And I think now we could be potentially good for a run lower, since that is a SMT as well. So yeah, I do think we run lower now. 5-minute is about an inverse, but I think the run lower makes more sense. Tapped equilibrium. But yeah, 5-minute inverse. 15-minute unfilled. But yeah, not even an entry off that 5-minute. Actually, I mean, just a little bit sketch. I mean, stop loss would have had to been pretty large. It's not worth the RR, in my opinion. 15-minute tapped. Bet this is a SMT2. Yeah, it is SMT tapping the hourly for value gap, I think. Yeah, hourly gap tapped. unfilled 3 minute. Do we have equal lows? In this 1 minute looks good, but let's see. For targets, this is like kind of low resistance liquidity here, these stacked lows. Hourly tapped, 15-minute rejection, and a premium unfilled 3 minute below. Higher time frame, I am more bearish, but did hold that 4 hour kind of in the middle of the range. Let's see, what time is it? 10:04. 10 a.m. open high. Where's true day open at? Right now I do think the higher time frame draw on liquidity is this 4 hour, so I don't even want to be shorting. Equal highs above as well, equal highs right here. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it, but yeah, I just don't have a clear target. I mean, just the unfilled 3 minute, but that's not good enough since higher time frame. I think the draw on liquidity is this 4 hour unfilled gap after we had a SMT with previous day's low, respected the 4 hour gap. I think we do run higher time frame before continuing down. So yeah, targets here just aren't the best, so I'm gonna sit out. So yeah, it did play out TP1, but yeah, just targets here didn't look the cleanest. Very choppy. Probably around 30 points, TP1. So this would have been like a TP1 break even. Really no other targets, so yeah. So I'm fine with not taking that. So we did have this FOMC, so we'll skip to 2 p.m. and see if there's anything good. Skip to New York PM. Skip an hour. Alright, 2 p.m. news. Alright, yeah. They run lower. We didn't tap the hourly. This is now bearish breaker around this area. Rejected that breaker. Shift in structure. Let's see the 4 hour. What time does this close at? 2 p.m. So yeah, 4 hours back close like this, meaning the draw is definitely lower. We have this 4 hour sell side. ES is lagging. So yeah, I don't think we want any longs until we either hit the order block and react, or most importantly take out sell side. Play a bearish bias here towards this 4 hour sell side liquidity. think we do want to make a run lower, higher time frame. So let's see where we're at in this range. Tapped equilibrium right now, higher time frame. Inside a bearish 15-minute. So we are also reacting off this 15-minute as well. So let's see how the news opens up. Hit at 02. Left a pretty large data wick here. Could use that as a draw. Looks like we have a SMT right here as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just take data right now, but alright, nice. We could potentially get an entry on this if we can leave behind this 3-minute for a long. Let's see. Maybe not. Are still holding an hourly gap right here. Let's see the 4-hour though. As well as we have a hourly fair value gap here as well. So yeah, the thing is, for right now, there's not much to deliver off of for a long. Alright, 4-hour order block hit. Could get a nice long here, potentially to data to rebalance a little bit before running lower. 15-minute closure. 5-minute unfilled gap above as well. Let's see if we can get some manipulation. Unfilled 5-minute above as well as data reacting off the 4-hour order block here. 5-minute right here. Lowest time frame inversion here would be just this 3-minute. But yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get along here. I mean, if we could run lower, take out this 4-hour sell side, sweep that out, and then get the long, I would like that a lot for a long. Let's see here on the 4-hour. ES does have this level as well. It's not the same one, but yeah, so now what I want to see, sweep of this. I meant to use the arrow. Sweep of this 4-hour sell side and then longs back up towards data high. Alright, took out that low. A 5-minute here. Closure at 55. See if that holds or not. Five-minute inversion. There is a 5-minute really close though, which makes this a bit sketch. But we did sweep out the sell side. This is also a SMT here. OP as well. Could react off this. Rebalance price a little bit higher. Maybe towards equilibrium, towards data. Now we also have an unfilled 15-minute right there. However, it's also about to be 3 p.m. open in 5 minutes. See if there's also equal highs. No. Also, this data is 2 minutes after the news, so it's a little bit more sketch. There's just no structure here at all. So yeah, I'm not gonna just take this to break even right at the 5 minute. It's just not worth it. It's just like, looks like an instant break even, honestly, but yeah, I'm gonna sit out. Yeah. W discipline. W discipline. There was no structure there, so I didn't want the long. And yeah, just selling off. So yeah, good patience. Another no trade day though. So far, really slow week for sure, but if we're not getting any setups, we're not getting any setups. Only trying to take A+ setups in this session. So now we're on to Thursday. 10 a.m. news, gotta wait for that. Alright, let's see. Let's pull up our sessions real quick. Alright, we still got London, Asia highs. Let's see, where is that at on ES? It is a SMT. And then Asia high. It's not a SMT. So we got that marked up right there. Asia low as well. But yeah, Asia low is below. Marked it up on ES as well. 15-minute shift in structure here. Closing below this order block. SMT, I think we could run lower here. Tap into equilibrium, rejection right there. Bet we tapped like a 5 minute or something. Tap this 5 minute order block. Rejected it. Okay, let's see the higher time frame. Looks like we're just selling off right now. So it looks pretty clear that could want to just finish off this sell model. Also, we do have this 4-hour sell side here. Yes, is lagging a little bit. But yeah, overall, the final draw, I feel like for the sell model is lower here. Do have a 4-hour unfilled gap. See a daily and daily sell side here. So I'm gonna be bearish till then. So yeah, let's see how we open up. We do have 10 a.m. news, so I'm gonna wait for that. But yeah, I do like shorts for sure. Alright, left the 930 low. Good open there for sure. Left the 930 wick here. Nice run higher. SMT right there. Do also have an SMT at this low. Say that SMT gave this move higher. Took out London high on NQ as well. Alright, so this is actually good. I want to see us tap into that 4-hour. Sweep out Asia for a short back down. So yeah, gonna wait for that 10 a.m. news. Accumulation right now. After this distribution from this SMT that powered this move up. But now we did take out Asia high. Right here, tapped into 4-hour fair value gap here, rebalanced. I think we could run lower now. However, if we do want to rebalance a little bit higher, could see that playing out. 15-minute did close here above. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for 10 a.m. news. See what it sets up. If we leave behind some unfilled gaps for shorts, could be good. So let's see what news does. Our data wick here. Still bearish. Still got this 930 low. Alright, took that out. Yo, please give me an entry. Took out Asia low. Probably gonna get a run up right now. That daily sell side is right there. Yeah, we could see a move up right now. Took out Asia low. Leave, not a SMT. So 4-minute here could take up to data. So 1-minute could cook, but it is definitely a pre-fire. And a more bearish hard time frame. Shift in structure here. On the 5-minute, market structure shift to bearish. 5-minute. But this here is a 4-minute. Alright, took out 4-hour sell side. 1-minute here. Could cook. Back up to data. You could see a nice reaction here, retracement higher. Back into equilibrium before we run lower on the higher time frame. Take out data as well, run higher, and then take out that daily sell side liquidity so I'm not like fixed bearish. Let's see, 5 minute. Also got a 5 minute unfilled gap here. Nice, good first target. Are inside of a 2 minute right now. But this is a good sweep here of this 4 hour. Which is also a pretty large SMT right here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try this back up to data. Let's see, are we delivering off of anything though? Any P array? Four-hour order block. See, at least like a 15 minute or something. Almost tapped. Yeah, I do like this long for retracement. It's just this 2 minute is kind of throwing me off. But 1 minute looks clean draw. Do think we could rebalance at least to that 5 minute. Data highs above as well. So yeah, we'll try this. I'd say this is a A-rated setup. We got liquidity sweep. We got momentum here for sure over this 1 minute. And discount. So yeah, we'll do stops at SMT low. 1 TP at data probably. And yeah, that's the trade. Break even here. 1 minute inversion. So yeah, I'll try this. Good risk. Let me do save in journal. Place order. Save in journal. I'd say confidence on this is very high, but let's see. 4 hour sweep. Data high. Above. Equilibrium rebalance. Above. 1 minute high displacement. We are inside of like a 2 minute, but 1 minute looks very good to at least deliver us to the unfilled 5 minute. Alright, so we'll try this. And yeah, let's see. Alright, nice break even there. We did hit 101. Do we just hold it to data? 101 hit. One setup for life, just hold it. Are inside of a 5 minute though. I'm not really expecting a 5 minute to hold. But what I think I'm gonna do, looking at this, high, low, higher, high, lower, low, are tapping into like this breaker. Could definitely react here, so I'm gonna take partials at 101. The net RR on this is 2.5 R, so not a bad R. Also higher time frame. I am more bearish, so we're gonna secure a little bit there at that breaker. And yeah, let's see. Data should get taken here. Let's see. Looks really good. ES might take it. If ES takes it, I'm gonna just full close. Chill. See, if ES takes this out, I'm gonna just close my position probably. Alright, nice. So secured about almost 2 R on that. So yeah, nice setup. Pretty much 4 hour sell side sweep, SMT as well. Stop loss at the SMT low. 5 minute unfilled gap above. Took a partial at 101. And yeah, one setup for life pretty much. So yeah, A-rated setup for sure. Equilibrium rebalance as well. So yeah, nice Thursday trade here. Really didn't have any setups the rest of the week, so good we finally caught a W. Does this run? It does, but I wasn't even that bullish, so I really wouldn't have held a runner here. Just full closed at data is what I like there. So yeah, let's go next day. Friday. We're gonna give ourselves one trade today, so that no matter what, we're still up on the week. And yeah, really not trying to give back all those profits since we only did have one win. So yeah, we'll give ourselves an opportunity if we got something A-rated. 8:30 news, nice. Looks like it could be that wick. Could get a nice, another one setup for life potentially. But let's pull up our sessions here. Previous day's high right here. Which is a SMT, I think. Yeah, it is. Actually, no, it's not. ES is previous day's high, is just a little bit higher, I think. Yeah. Yeah, no SMT. Alright, previous day's low. Right there. So we took out London, took out Asia. I think we're good for a run higher. But we do still have this daily sell side. We'll see. Definitely ranging here. Let's pull our fib. Tapping equilibrium. Let's see the hourly. Kind of stacked highs here. low resistance liquidity. Shift lower, inversion. So gonna be leaning more bearish most likely for right now. Do have these stacked highs. Delivering off this bearish 4 hour. Previous day's low, and then sell side liquidity right here. Which ES is lagging a bit. This is actually SMT. She's so far away, it really doesn't matter. But it gave that move. See the daily. Do have that daily unfilled gap. I mean, we could potentially see a run higher, tap into that daily unfilled gap to then run lower. See the 15. Yeah, we could definitely do that for sure. All this low resistance liquidity resting above us. So I think a market open, a run higher would be better for shorts. I'll play this either way though, because if we run this all out, could also get longs. So yeah, let's hop on a lower time frame. I do think at market open, we're gonna get a run of all this LR, tap into the daily unfilled gap, sweep previous day's high, and then set us up for shorts. But I would be fine with also taking longs to that, because we have this 8:30 a.m. data high right here. Also check true day open. Right there, midnight open. Let's see how we reacting there. Discounted. All right, nice. So let's see how we open up. 9:30. All right, left the 9:30 high as well. I like longs a lot. And this data high as well. Good buy side targets if we can make a run lower right now. SMT. Looks like we're still in this 15-minute gap. Color coordinate that John a little bit. We did inverse this 15 as well, indicating that I think we do want to run higher. And I think that this move down was just a 9:30 Judas swing. Let's see what time it is though, 45. Yeah, so it looks like we might hold that for an entry. Don't have an entry here. take this 3 minute though if we can get it. Close at 42. Let's see. Damn. Yeah, no entry. Minute 42. Yeah, no entry on that. Looked super good though. Held that 15 minute. We inverse this 15. 930 straight up open low. SMT holding lower time frame gaps as well. Nice 1 minute there. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Kind of a breaker area here as well. Kind of disrespected that though. But yeah, just no entry on this long. Looks like we're gonna take data high. Yeah, wow. Wow. Yeah, still got data high. So now my draw still higher with all this LR above. Really don't want to be shorting yet. Tap into this 5. But it kind of cooked that we took all my targets here for longs. Now we are a bit premiumed. I really don't want to be longing right now. SMT this low. SMT inside the 5 minute. Yeah, not much I like right now. Tapping into a 15. Reacting off this order block. Or lower. Yeah, but I couldn't even be shorting here. 1 minute inversion, but inside of a 15 minute. Higher time frame not aligned. Yes, so let's see if this 15 minute inverses. I'll have a clear draw of previous day's low. Let's see, when does it close at? 10:30. Alright, there we go. 15 minute closed. Do have this 15 minute unfilled gap. However, I'm definitely more bearish right now. I want to just long on nowhere. 15 minute inversion. I think we run lower towards the sell side. It's not a SMT either. I don't know why my voice just tweaked out. Alright, sell side there. 15 minute unfilled there. We have an hourly. Five-minute gap, respected bullish, or respected bearish, I mean. Was this volume imbalance holding? Say we're holding that volume imbalance. It's 1 minute cook. But I think the draw is previous day's low, higher time frame based on the 15 minute. So I'm gonna wait for this for shorts. This could definitely cook, but we'll forward test it. Let's see. If it fails, I wouldn't be surprised. It's just way more bearish. Yeah, so that would have failed. W discipline. And now we're forming like this LR here. So I want to see a run of that higher. And then give me shorts. Chill. Alright, took out previous day's low. And sell side's right there. The daily level looks like a clear draw on liquidity. Could be a continuation model right now towards that sell side, but we are very deep in discount. 2 minute. Yeah, so probably no entries on this. Other than this 1 minute, but kind of sketch. See, I want to forward test this though. Not gonna take it. It's not the highest time frame inversion. But yeah, I am forward testing, like pre-firing a little bit, but not taking it since it's obviously not the highest time frame. This 2 minute is. But yeah, not in this. I'm just seeing if it would. Yeah, so it would have failed. So being more patient is definitely better. It's 11 a.m. now, bro. Alright, so no entries. Let's see if the draw is right though. Previous day's low. Right here. Or wait, no. We already took previous day's low. This daily sell side. Leave it for next week maybe. See, it's like 3 p.m. Still left it. Accumulating. Alright, looks like we're just holding previous day's low, just chopping after the move down. Accumulating. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's break down this session. I wanted a short, but we didn't have an entry. So unfortunate, my model wasn't there. I wanted to see this. Tap into that 15-minute, get an inversion for shorts, and then take it down to previous day's low, take a good amount of partials, and then sell side liquidity full target, which did not end up getting hit. But yeah, previous day's low would have probably been the main draw. It's more than enough points. Yeah, 100 points. But yeah, I was also looking for longs here. Right here. Looked super good for a long, but we didn't even have like anything to pre-fire to forward test or anything. So yeah, I did want a long here. Back to equilibrium. 930 highs were left. A lot of liquidity sitting above there. Data highs as well as higher time frame. Daily unfill gap, previous day's highs, low resistance liquidity, trendline liquidity, all these stacked highs here. Liquidity is resting above those, so. But yeah, no entry. Only entry here would have been off this SMT, but yeah, I'm looking for inversion entries only. And then did not get an entry on the shorts with my model. But yeah, that's that. So up on the week still. Literally took one trade this week, but that's alright. Journal. Yeah, journaled it, I think. Yeah, right here. Ended up playing out. Not sure why they don't put like a screenshot of the after as well. That's chill. Wait, let's look at the calendar. Only took one trade entire week. Let's try and find this session. I think it's analytics. Hold up. Oh wait, here are the notes on the one trade we took. 4-hour sell side sweep, data highs above, so it's a one setup for life. Equilibrium rebalance, 1 minute high displacement inversion entry. 5-minute unfilled gap was the break even, as well as the breaker also took partial there. And we were in a 2-minute, but it looked really good that we were just gonna displace through it. So yeah, that's why the confidence was a 4 out of 5. It looked really good. Overall, good trade. A rated, I would say. Alright, this is what I was trying to find. So on the week, just took one trade, up about almost 2R. So I'm risking about $250 per trade. Net P&L was a little bit under 1%. But good RR, about a 1.6 or 7R, 1.6R maybe. But yeah, overall good start to the backtesting session. And yeah, January first week up about 1.7R, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys aren't subbed yet, make sure to hit that sub button real quick. And until next time, peace.